Welcome to your Aruka Movement IQ Assessment Dashboard. Let's walk through the 5 simple steps to complete your evaluation efficiently. Step 1. Initial questionnaires. Begin by completing all required questionnaires. These cover your onboarding information, lifestyle, and medical history. You won't be able to proceed without finishing this step. Step 2. Watch instructional videos. Watch the Movement IQ instructional video. It demonstrates how to perform and film each exercise properly. In addition, we also provided an instructional PDF on how to film and perform this assessment. Step 3. Upload your videos. Upload your video assessments. You'll complete 30 exercises across 5 categories. These include movement skills, balance, functional fitness skills, strength, and elasticity. Make sure to film each video properly. Step 4. Aruka Coach Evaluation. Once your videos and payment are submitted, your Aruka coach will analyze the footage. When the review is done, click View Evaluation to read your detailed performance breakdown. Step 5. Meet with your Aruka coach. Schedule your virtual Zoom call with your coach to go over your results. Use the calendar link provided to book or reschedule your session. And that completes your assessment. These 5 steps complete your Movement IQ assessment and get you started on your journey with Aruka.